should be willing to give you work, otherwise it's not going to work out. You need a track record to get your first client ideally, or your first, or for your subsequent clients, right? You need some kind of a track record. For your first client, you will not have any track record. Okay, so you will just have to have that, leap of faith from the first client, and that commitment in your eyes or your communication that you're going to do it. But yeah, for repeat work, track record, testimonials is going to be important. So your profile and your proposal, all of that is going to go in your profile and the specific proposal that you send. Profile is general, which everybody sees online, and proposal is what you specifically say you will do. Now the thing is that a steady stream of online content that you keep pushing out can really help you. How can you do that? You can write articles on contracts, on the pain points, so that when you send your proposal, you can add in links to relevant articles that you have written. Like what we do in our webinars a lot of times is that we will share links of earlier webinars that we did on a specific point. Okay, now in your proposal, if you are applying, you're writing for a media and entertainment contract, you share links to 5 articles and maybe 5 6 drafts that show that you explain that you understand the pain point. That's going to work. When you apply for a technology contract ka freelance opportunity, at that time you show that I have done this work, so you keep changing it. Okay, that's going to be the secret sauce. It's possible to write about contracts, it's possible to publish articles online, and we've seen that it takes a lot of time for people to do this. So we have a training system to help students to be able to write that. For anybody who's not got experience in that, it is doable, very much possible. You can always reach out to us for help if you need. Okay, usually it takes about 2 3 months to learn this, to write your first article maximum. After that, you will be publishing articles rapidly. Okay, but if you don't take assistance at the right time, then people end up losing years, and then they regret having not learned this skill. Then you must post on your LinkedIn profile frequently about these things. Okay, and then you must interact and engage with people who comment on it. Okay, so post about contracts, post about different kinds of industry problems, important news around, let's say, media and entertainment sector, and how that's going to impact different deals. Okay, that's what you want to do. In Upwork, what will happen is, as you learn services which are required again and again, like terms of service, privacy policy, user agreements are repetitively required. You can create a project, you can list it on your profile. Okay, now this is how Upwork will show you different proposals at different states. Okay, then there are students who've, this is for jobs and all.